All right, guys, welcome back once again to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about something a lot of you get confused about: RAM speed. So many of you running budget setups usually have 3200 megahertz RAM, but when you open Task Manager, it only shows 2133 megahertz or somewhere close to that, right? And you're like, wait, didn't I pay for 3200 megahertz? Well, that's because your RAM isn't running at its rated speed yet. The fix is actually super simple. You just need to enable XMP in your BIOS. Now, XMP stands for Extreme Memory Profile. It's Intel's feature that lets your RAM run at its advertised speed. If you're using an AMD system, the same thing is called EXPO or sometimes DOCP, depending on your motherboard brand. For example, MSI boards usually label it as AXMP, while ASUS might call it DOCP. So don't worry about the name, it's basically the same feature doing the same job. Before you restart your system though, I recommend enabling the Ultimate Performance Power Plan in Windows to squeeze out every bit of performance. If you haven't unlocked it yet, I've dropped the command in the description below. Just open PowerShell or CMD as administrator, paste the command, hit enter, and you're done. Now, a quick heads up. Some people face system crashes after enabling XMP or EXPO. It's not common, but it usually happens to those who build their PCs themselves without checking RAM slot configuration. In my case, slots 2 and 4, that's A2 and B2, give the best stability and speed. You can confirm yours easily. Just click on the Windows search bar, type system information, open it, and check for baseboard product. That's your motherboard model. Copy it, Google something like best RAM slots for your motherboard model, and it'll show exactly where your RAM sticks should go. Usually, it's the second and fourth slots from the CPU, but always double check. Once you enable the XMP or EXPO profile and reboot, open Task Manager again. You'll see that your RAM speed finally matches the number printed on the box. And that's it. A simple BIOS tweak, but it makes a real difference. If this helped you out, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Windows Fixer for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.